Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying the lesson playing with numbers. Okay, we are studying the lesson playing with numbers, and in the previous lecture, what we have studied, that we revised first. What we have studied, we studied about how to find the factors of any number. We studied about how to find the factors of any number, first find multiples of any number, and how to check a given number is a factor or not. अगर आपको कोई नंबर दिया गया है तो वो फैक्टर है या नहीं है, ये कैसे चेक करते हैं. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन दीज देयर आर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 in the exercise 3a which I tell you to solve in your notebook. Okay, question number 1 in which you have to find out the factors of the given number. What is the question number 1 of exercise 3b? Write all the factors of the following numbers. That means you have to find out the factors of the given numbers. Okay. After that, question number 2, give the first 4 multiples of each. Okay. In the solved examples, we study about the first 5 multiples. But in the given question, you have to write only 4 multiples. Okay. Now, question number 3, divide and check whether the following are multiples of 14. आपको क्या करना है? You have to check the given 4 number. That is, there are 4 questions, and you have to check all the 4 numbers are multiples of 4 or not. For these, you have to divide the given number by 14. If your remainder is 0, that means the given number is a multiple of 14. Otherwise, not. Okay. Same in the question number 4. There you have to check the given number is a multiple of 33 or not. Okay. Now, what is question number 5? Okay. What is question number 5? Exercise 3. Okay. Exercise. If you have any questions or any doubts regarding the homeworks are given to you as a क्लास वर्क, जैसे मैं आपको जो वीडियो लेक्चर्स में जो होमवर्क देती हूँ उससे रिगार्डिंग आपको कोई भी डाउट्स है, यू कैन मैसेज मी पर्सनल. ओके, यू कैन आस्क मी योर डाउट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? रीड द क्वेश्चन. विच इज द लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 99? आपको ये बताना है कि 99 से छोटा बट सबसे बड़ा, मतलब 99 से छोटी नंबर. दैट मीन्स यू कैन राइट 91, 92, 93. You don't need to write it. Okay, 93 I will write because I have to tell you how to find out the number. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Less than 99, that means 99 can't be included. Okay, 98 is a prime number. क्या आप बता सकते हो 98 प्राइम नंबर है या नहीं है? 98 is not a prime number. 98 is not a prime number. Okay, then what about the 97? 97 किसी के टेबल में आता है? बोलो, 97 किसी के टेबल में आता है? No, 97 किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आता है. That means the largest prime number less than 99 is 97. Then how to find out? आप 99 से छोटे नंबर्स लिखते जाओगे. ठीक है, 99 के पहले क्या आता है? 98. So we check 98 is a prime number or not. 98 is not a prime number. So we moving further, going further. 97 is 97 is prime number or not? 97 is a prime number. So our answer is 97 is the largest prime number less than 99. So your answer for question number 5. Okay, your answer for question number 5. Okay, you have to write the answer as 97 is the largest prime number less than 99. Understood? What is the answer of this question? 97. Why 97? हमने कैसे निकाला, समझ में आया? Okay. After that, question number 6. What is question number 6? Write down the prime numbers between first is 1 to 20. That means you have to write all the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Okay? I will discuss this question in a previous lecture. मैंने previous lecture में इसका आंसर आपको बताया है, अगर आपको याद हो तो, ठीक है. In the same way, you have to find out the prime numbers between 28 and 44 and 90 and 120. Okay? After that, question number 7. Okay? After that, there is question number 7. What is question number 7? Read. Question number 7. Write two prime numbers. That means you have to write two prime numbers whose product is the biggest even number less than 16. The biggest even number less than 16. 16 is itself even number. 16 is an even number. Why? Because it is exactly divisible by 2. Before 16, 15. Before 15, what is the number? 15. But 15 is not an even number. 15 is not an even number. So, this is not our answer. Then 14. Before 15, which number comes? 14. Then tell me, is 14 is an even number or not? Tell me, is 14 is an even number or not? It is exactly divisible by 2 or not? Yes, 14 is exactly divisible by 2. 14 is exactly divisible by 2. So, 14 is an even, largest even number less than 16. 14 is the largest even number less than 16. Okay. Now, you have to tell me the two prime numbers whose product means multiplication. That means you have to tell me the two prime numbers whose multiplications answer, that is we call it as product, is 14. Tell me that two prime numbers whose multiplications answers is 14. Okay, first tell me which are the prime numbers. 2, after that 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So, multiplication of these 2 into 3, 6, not our answer. Okay, we are checking 2 for every number. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 7, 14. So, our two numbers whose product is 14 are 2 and 7. So, we can write the answer as, our answer as, समझ में आया? आपको उसने पूछा है लार्जेस्ट इवन नंबर लेस देन 16. लार्जेस्ट इवन नंबर लेस देन 16 is 14. Okay. So, the answer of question number, which question number? 7. The answer of question number 7 is the largest even prime number. The largest even prime number less than 16 is, less than 16 is 14. हमने निकाला है ना अभी. How to find out the largest even prime number? We go previous and check whether the given number is prime even number or not. So the largest even prime number less than, the largest even number, not a prime number, the largest even number. There is no prime word used in the question. So the largest even number less than 16 is 14. Okay, is 14. So we have to find out the two prime numbers. So the two prime numbers. So the two prime numbers whose और ऐसे दो प्राइम नंबर्स जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 14 आता है वो है 2 and 7. So the answer of question number 7 is the largest even number less than 16 is 14, and so the two prime numbers whose product is 14 are 2 and 7. Okay, this is your question number 7. Okay, now question number 8. Which is the smallest odd composite number? You have to tell which is the smallest but the आपको सबसे पहले बताना है कि वो ऑड होना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले ऑड नंबर देखेंगे और ऑड होने के साथ साथ उसे कंपोजिट भी होना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू टेल द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑड कंपोजिट नंबर. ओके, टेल मी द ऑड नंबर्स फर्स्ट. ओके, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ओके, solution of question number 8. Now first tell me the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These are the odd numbers. Why they are the odd numbers? Because they are not exactly divisible by 2. They don't come in the table of 2. So we call them odd numbers. So you have to find out the smallest odd composite number. They are the odd. We have to find out first the composite number. 1 is not a composite number. 3 is not a composite number because they don't come in the table of any number. Okay, जो किसी के टेबल में आते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं composite number. तो 3 किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 5 no, 7 no, but 9 किसके टेबल में आता है? बोलो. 9 आता है ना टेबल में किसी के? बोलो, किसके टेबल में आता है 9? यस, 3 के टेबल में आता है. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Smallest है क्यों? क्योंकि odd numbers में से अगर आप composite number निकालोगे तो ये prime number है, ये नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा. ये 3 के टेबल में आता है अगेन. सो अगर आप 9 and 15 में से चेक करोगे, 9 is the smallest as well as odd as well as composite number. So your answer for question number 8, your answer for question number 8 is 9. So you have to write in question number 8 that 9 is the smallest odd composite number. So 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay, we have completed question number 7 and 8. Now what about the question number 9? You have to tell the two prime numbers whose difference is 1. Okay, you solve them. Write down the two prime numbers whose difference is 3. Okay, you can do it. Write down the twin primes between 40 and 50. You have to tell which two pairs are there. आपको वहाँ बताना है 40 और 50 के बीच में कितने twin primes होते हैं. What are the twin primes? Twin primes इसको बोलते हैं, बोलो. Twin primes? Yes, anyone? Twin primes क्या होता है? बोलो. Twin primes वो नंबर होते हैं जिनके बीच में 2 का डिफरेंस होता है. Twin primes उन्हें बोलते हैं जिनके बीच में 2 का डिफरेंस होता है. ठीक है ना? After that you have to express the given numbers in the sum of two odd primes. Okay, आपको दो ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स लेने हैं जिनका एडिशन 30 आता है. ठीक है, जिनका एडिशन 64 आता है और जिनका एडिशन 98 आता है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, जस्ट लाइक इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द odd primes of for the 30, if you have to find out the odd primes of for 30, what are they? बोलो, कौन से ऐसे दो प्राइम नंबर्स होंगे जिनका आप अगर एडिशन करते हो तो आपको वो मिलेगा 30. बोलो, कौन बता सकता है? They are the 23 and 7 because 7 and 23 both are the odd are primes, they are odd as well as primes, and their addition is 30. Okay, so you have to only find out that two odd prime numbers. Okay, after that, which of the following pairs are co-primes? You have to tell the given pair is a co-prime or not. Co-primes क्या होते हैं? जिसमें सिर्फ वन ही कॉमन होता है दोनों नंबर्स में से. जब आप फैक्टर्स निकालोगे, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ 18 as well as 35 and check whether there is a any factor common other than 1. अगर 1 को छोड़कर और भी कोई कॉमन आता है तो वो को-प्राइम्स नहीं है, और अगर नहीं आता है तो वो को-प्राइम्स है. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. आई विल टेल यू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. ओके. If any question there is any difficulty you can ask me. Okay, अगर आपको इनमें से किसी भी जो भी क्वेश्चन होमवर्क में दिया गया है आपको डिफिकल्टी आती है, you can ask me. Okay, solution of question number 14. Okay, what is your question number 14? Question number 14 is write 221 as the product of two prime numbers. You have to find out which are the two prime numbers whose product is 221. So how you find out? आप ये कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे कि 221 के ऐसे कौन से दो मतलब प्राइम नंबर्स हैं जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पे आपको 221 एज अ आंसर मिलेगा. तो बोलो मुझे, अगर आप लोग निकाल सकते हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता है आप लोगों को इतने फास्ट, तो बोलो विच आर द टू नंबर्स हुज प्रोडक्ट इज 221. Which are the two numbers whose product is 221? Tell me. Anyone? First write down the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. After that 19. Okay. So multiplication of these two. 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप करोगे तो 221 कभी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. सो डिवाइड 221 by 3. 3 sevens are 21 and your answer is 11. It is not completely divisible. So 3 is also not that prime number. Again check 221 is divisible by 5 or not. It is not. After that check for the 7. आप चेक करोगे कि 221 7 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं होता है, तो वो नहीं होता है. आफ्टर दैट 221 को आप चेक करोगे कि 11 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं होता है. 221 डिवाइडेड बाय 11. 11 2s are 22. So your remainder is 0 and 1. It is not divisible by 2 because your remainder is not 0. So you check for the next prime number, that is 13. So 221 divided by 13. So you write it here. 31s are 13. 31s are 13. So remainder is 9 and 1. So 13 sevens are 91. 13 sevens are 91 and your remainder is 0. And this is a prime number and your quotient is also a prime number. These two are your answer, that is 13 into 17 is equals to 21. So the two prime numbers whose multiplication is 221 are 13 and 17. Why? Because we checked it by the division. So the answer of question number 14 is, what is the answer? 13 and 17 are two prime numbers whose product that is 13 into 17 is equal to 220. Okay, so we completed our question number 14. So remaining question, that is question number 15 and 16. In the question number 15 you have to find out the perfect number between 1 and 30. आप 6 नहीं ले सकते, उसको छोड़कर आपको perfect number निकालना है. And question number 16 you have to find out all the numbers ending on 3, just like 3, 13, 23, 33, 43 and all, and you have to separate them between prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, after that, and question number 17, show that 1701 and 4400 are co-primes. You have to find out the factors of 1701 and 4400 and you have to check there is a common factor or not. Okay, after that, in the question number 18 and 19, they are the true or false and the filling the blanks which you have to complete. Okay, in the next lecture we will start our next topic, that is test for divisibility. Okay, till then, bye.